What I'm going to do today is invite you to connect with the universe, to connect with Mother Earth, to connect with the heavens, and maybe boost your energy or purge yourself of negative energy. I know that all sounds rather woo-woo, but well, this is kind of a woo-woo place, right? Inevitably, it's going to be a little bit hypnotic, so only proceed forwards if it is safe and appropriate to do so. Take a seat, place your feet flat on the floor. Or maybe you want to stand if you prefer to stand. Stand with your legs kind of triangulated, so your legs are firmly rooted to the ground. Because I want you to feel your connection to the ground. So if you're sat, make sure that your feet are really, really firmly rooted to the ground. You can feel the heel and you can feel your toes touching the ground. On that, what I'd like you to do is take a good deep breath in. Hold the breath. And let that breath go. Maybe you can already feel yourself becoming more grounded, more centered. Take in a second good deep breath. Hold that breath. And let the breath release. Maybe you want to allow the release of the breath to be maybe twice as long as the in-breath. Noticing what you're noticing, maybe there's a tingling sensation, maybe you can feel a settling of your stomach. Taking a good third deep breath. Hold that breath, and if you're still watching me on the video, then I would allow yourself to just let your eyes close if it's in your best interest. Breathe out. Just breathe normally. And what I'd like you to do is focus your attention on the palms of your hands, both hands. And maybe you want to just kind of put your hands out to the sides of you or in front of you with the palms facing down towards the earth. I don't know how calibrated you are with the sensations in your body, but maybe you can get a sense, or maybe you can imagine what it could feel like to actually have an energetic bond between the palms of your hands and the earth. Maybe you can even imagine a sensation or feel a sensation of tingling in the palms of your hand, because what I'd like you to do, not now but in a moment, is to start drawing upon the energy of the earth. So I don't know if you can imagine what it would feel like to have a direct cord between your hands and the earth. And as you lift those hands up very, very gradually, very, very gradually, drawing in the energy of the earth, drawing in that bountiful energy of the earth. And when they reach sort of waist height or maybe a little higher, turn them over. Make a request to the heavens, make a request to the sky, draw in the energy from the universe. Lifting your arms, lifting your hands up towards the heaven, pulling down the energy of the heaven. And as those hands are high up in the air above your head, maybe you can start to bring those hands together, concentrating that ball of energy, concentrating the energy of the earth, the energy of the heavens in between your hands, and pass that energy down through your head, through your neck, through your chest, through your heart, down towards your stomach, down towards your diaphragm, feeling how that feels. Taking in another good deep breath, and as you do so, drawing in the energy from the earth, drawing in that energy from the earth with your palms facing downwards towards the earth. Lifting your hands, drawing up the energy of the earth, and turning your hands over so they're facing the sky, inviting the energy of the universe, of the skies, of the heavens, of whatever makes sense to you, perhaps of source, to connect with you as those hands lift and lift and lift. As those hands are above your head, just allow yourself to bring the hands closer together, concentrating, compacting that energy, and then bathing first your head, your crown, and then as you move your hands down, your neck, your chest, your heart, belly button, your stomach, diaphragm, filling up the core of you with energy. We'll do that one more time now. Just allow your hands to go horizontal, to go flat, facing down towards the earth. Imagine a cord between you and the earth, connected straight with the palm of your hand, lifting up those two palms of your hands, drawing upon the energy of the earth. Maybe you can feel a tingling sensation. Maybe a different part of your body just wants to judder and shudder. If so, that's perfectly correct. Now just lift those hands up, drawing in the energy of the earth, turn the hands over, invite the energy of the universe, of source, of one, of all things to be able to connect with you from above. Continue lifting your hands up. Allow your hands to connect in space above your head. Draw those hands a little closer together. Imagine a ball of energy which is compacting, and then bring it down, down over the crown of your head, down over your nose, over your mouth, over your throat, over your chest, over your heart, over your stomach, over your diaphragm. And if you notice anything that you notice, just allow it to be. Allow yourself perhaps to sit with that as you do, because there's just a moment to ground yourself, to connect yourself with the infinite oneness of everything which is beneath, which is divine, everything which is above, which is divine, or which is a connection with things that we cannot understand, we cannot describe. Or even if you've got a truly, truly engineer's mind, a truly energetic understanding scientifically of the universe, and consider that you are connecting with all things quantum, all things within and without the cell, all things of dark matter, all things on Proxima B, all things going out to the spiral arm of our universe, and continuing onwards and onwards and onwards and outwards in a fractal passion that never quite ends. What I'd like you to do now is you're either stood there with your legs apart, or you sat there with your feet grounded on the floor. So imagine in front of you glowing sun, perhaps an orb of energy, but imagine it very beautifully, very happy, very loving. And it's bathing the front of your body, bathing the front of your body, starting at the top of your head, bathing all the way down the front of your body, almost like a warm honey. And now that warm sun is bathing the back of your body, back of the crown of your head, down your spine, down towards your buttocks, down your legs, down towards your heels, flooding you with this loving, warm, honey-like, beautiful energy of perhaps love, perhaps forgiveness, whatever it is. That beautiful sun-like orb of energy now bathing the center of your body, center of your mind, running down the center of the whole of your body, through your core, down to your feet, almost as if that honey-like, warm, loving, happy fluid could just pool in the ground around you. And as you notice that pooling, perhaps it has a color, perhaps it has a smell, maybe you can see it dissipating out onto the ground. And then I want you to imagine really connecting with the earth, drilling down, almost pointing with your fingers down towards the earth, as if they were powerful, powerful metal wires, drawing you down to the center of the earth, deeper than the height of your body, deeper than 3 times the height of your body, 10 times the height of your body, powering down into the center of the earth. Perhaps you can even connect with the core of the earth. Whenever you get to the point which feels best for you, I want you to imagine drawing the energy of that back, up the cord, up into you, up through the heels, up through the back of your thighs, up through your buttocks, up through this tailbone, along the whole length of your spine, up to the crown of your head, down the front of your body, down to the chest, down to the heart, down to the belly button, down into the diaphragm, allowing that energy from the earth to become more and more powerful, more and more loving, more and more astonishing. Perhaps you can even make a circular motion with your hands to allow that energy to grow, to double, to magnify, to compound, to become stronger, 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 and stronger. And when you're ready, just allowing all that energy growing from the earth up the back of your spine, up to the crown of your head, down the front of your body, down to the heart, down to the diaphragm, allowing that to get stronger and stronger until you're like a fountain, and that energy can whoosh down further, up towards your heart, up towards your chest, out your arms, out through your fingers, like a massive, beautiful fountain of energy. That energy spreading up from the earth, out through your hands, every part of your body tingling with that sensation. But of course, we're not just a body. So allow your arms to get a sensation, not just of the energy, the magnetism of what you can tell, but also of your energetic body, even of your spiritual body. Allowing your perception to become wider, wider, and wider. Spreading out beyond the awareness of your skin, or out beyond the awareness of your theoretical boundary, out beyond the edge of the room, out towards the edge of everything that you can comprehend right now, beyond that, out and out and out, till this energy is touching the tips of the world, the tips of the universe, the tips of the clouds. Bringing your attention now to the heavens. Maybe you can imagine the North Star, the Pole Star directly above you. There is a cord connecting between you and that Pole Star, drawing down the energy of the Pole Star. Bringing in that energy at the same time the energy is drawing up from the cord beneath you, combining in the center of you, combining, becoming stronger and stronger, stronger and stronger. That energy coming down from the heavens, down, and then drawing it all the way down into the earth, and then noticing that the energy from the earth can bounce back up, up and up and up and up and up, up through that cord, back up to the heavens, back down to the earth, back up to the heavens, back down to the earth, back up to the heavens, back down to the earth, back up to the heavens, getting faster, stronger, more and more powerful. And when you're ready, just allow that to expand itself from your chest, expanding your sense every direction, not just left and right, but up, down, in a massive spherical ball of energy. Feeling wondrous, feeling connected with all things, because here you can just be. Invite the peace that surrounds all of that energy to permeate. Imagine the simplicity, the quiet to surround you, bathe you in beauty, in love, in kindness, in simplicity, in whatever it is that right now in this moment you need most. With your eyes still closed, what I'd like you to do is imagine the heavens above you, or the universe, the clouds, the pole star, the outer spiral arm of a galaxy we barely understand. All that wonder above you, all that wonder below you. The cord connected to the sky, the cord connected up as far as you can go. Cord connected to your feet, going down into the core of the earth. Divine, mystical, awesome, holy perhaps. And you in between, a vessel of pure spirit, of pure energy, of pure love, of pure kindness, of pure beauty, an extension of the universe, expressing the universe, just reverberating with the universe. And as I say that, notice what you notice. Notice the difference that makes the difference. Because here in this moment, in this vessel, there's nothing to prove. There's nothing to do or see or to act upon. You're here just to be, to discover, to connect, to relate. As the world above is divine, the world below is divine. The cylinder in the middle that is you, that is all of you that you don't even understand. Divine, pure, calm, bountiful, abundant, miraculous. Settle that energy down into your diaphragm, because I'm going to give you the gift of this energy for the whole of today. So as that energy is being drawn down from the earth, the energy is being drawn down from the universe, and it's all circulating through you, through this beautiful thing that is you. Maybe you can notice that the energy is kind of dispersed all over the place. And so what I like to do is to really, really settle you and ground you and cleanse you. And so I'd just like you to lift your palms of your hands like we did before, up towards your head, up towards your head. And just imagine almost like you were a snow globe, all those little pieces of snow that were wandering and dissipating, and with your hand you can draw them down, draw them down, draw them down from the crown of your head, past your eyes, past your nose, past your mouth, your chin, your throat, down to your heart, down beneath your heart, down towards your diaphragm, towards your belly button, and just allowing that energy to lock in your diaphragm, there for you to use whenever you want, to feel grounded, to feel powerful, to feel strong, to feel just like you. We'll do that one more time. Imagine all of that energy, if there are any loose particles, just allowing them to ground, to sink down from your head, down towards your heart, to your chest, down towards your diaphragm. And almost imagine tying a bow or putting a belt around that sensation in your diaphragm, because it's there like a powerful storage, a battery filled with energy that you can use whenever you need it. One more time we'll do that, just settling that energy no matter where it is in the upper half of your body, drawing that down, and settling it in the belly, settling it in the diaphragm. And then just for this moment, you can let go of the cord to the universe. You can let go of the cord to the earth. You can feel your feet grounded. You can feel the beauty of everything that you understand and the beauty of everything that you don't understand. And maybe you can bring a sense of gratitude for what it is that this day holds. A curious sense of optimism, perhaps. And with that, I'd like you to open your eyes. Come back up to a state of full and present awareness. It wasn't particularly deep state of trance, and so it's very, very easy for you to come back up to a state of full awareness. But I want you to notice what you feel. I want you to notice the embodied sensation, knowing that each time that you participate in an energetic relationship with me, maybe you want to say, like this, it becomes easier, it becomes stronger, it becomes more fulfilling, it becomes more and more loving, more kind, more beautiful, more like second nature. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you need to, you can, shake off your arms, shake off your hands, take in a good few deep breaths. Make sure that you are fully back up to a state of full and present awareness. You might want to take a good drink of water. Energetic work is fluid intensive, it's water intensive, so I would suggest that you have a good drink of water. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that is a little bit of beauty to restore or to heal, or as a simple gift for whatever is required. Thank you very much and take care. Check out my other videos. All right, bye.